Hey, what's up guys? Grant here, hanging out with Chris Carone.
And listen, we're gonna be giving away this iPhone 10 to one of you for our upcoming self-made event happening in April.
That's right, and we're gonna fly one of you down here, all expenses paid, to hang out with us for 3 days so we can train you on how to do YouTube. Just stick around and we'll show you how.
Hey guys, I'm Nate, welcome back to the King of Random. Today we've got another experiment we're gonna try because I think hundreds of people have requested to see this. We're gonna see what happens if we take Thermite and pit it against dry ice. The plan is pretty basic and it's fairly similar to when we did our test with liquid aluminum and dry ice. We've got a big old block of dry ice. We're gonna bore a hole part of the way down through the block. We're going to fill that hole with Thermite and then we're gonna light it off. We'll find out what will happen. Which one do you think will win, the Thermite or the dry ice? All right, there's a block of dry ice. Now let's fill this up with Thermite powder. That's a good amount. All right, we're gonna use a sparkler as a fuse, and I'm gonna put it in upside down just so that I can light the base of it and not have to, deal with the wire on there. So here we go, sparkler. Sort of the weirdest birthday cake I've ever seen. One heck of a candle, and the frosting is not that great. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, that whole block is glowing orange. Oh, and now we've got molten metal flowing around down inside. That looks awesome. I'm hoping that the GoPro is picking up the glowing block from the side, because you can definitely see light coming through the side of the dry ice just from the heat of that molten iron. That looks really neat. Oh, I love that. It's beautiful. There's our little block of iron, at least part of it's iron. There's this nice carved out hole into our dry ice. Knock off a little bit of the extra dirt and iron beads that have landed on here. Let's get more Thermite, fill it back up, and light it off again.
Okay guys, Grant and Chris jumping back in for just a second with a few more details about our event in April.
And how you can spend 3 days with us, all expense paid round trip to our self-made event.
That's right, we're flying you down to teach you everything we know about how to build a successful YouTube channel. Or you could win the iPhone 10. We're giving that away as well. Now this isn't gonna be for everyone, but there are two types of people out there we wanna talk to specifically. You're either trying to make a living as a YouTuber and getting frustrated because the platform keeps changing and everyone who seems to be successful on YouTube isn't answering your emails.
Or you're a business owner who understands that YouTube is one of the internet's best kept secrets on how to create a perpetual lead base that can help your business grow and take it to a whole new level, but no one's opening up and showing you how to do it.
If you're not one of these two types of people, then this event and this contest is not for you, so don't worry about it. But if you are, then here's the deal.
There's a link in the description below where you can learn more about our self-made YouTube trainings or enter our giveaways.
One of you is gonna get a free, all expenses paid round trip ticket to the event, backstage pass, VIP seating, VIP dinner with me and Chris, and what else happens? And staying in one of the nicest rooms in the hotel. We're putting you up in a suite.
By the way, the iPhone 10 is the best that you can get.
It's 256 gigs. This one has the gray body, and we're sending it with the gift receipt. This thing costs over $1,200. So if you want, you could just take it back to Best Buy and get the money instead.
You could also subscribe to our new self-made YouTube channel where we're gonna be giving away some of our very best tips for free.
The prizes are great, but the real win is all the information and the hands-on experience you're gonna get at the event itself. This is gonna save you years of failure and struggle on your journey to become a YouTube success.
We're picking the winner in 2 weeks, so click the link below. Everyone who enters is gonna win something.
Whether it's free tickets to the event, discounts, the iPhone 10, or something else, everyone who enters this giveaway is gonna win something, so go make sure your name is on it.
So click below, get your name on the list, and we will see you in April.
All right. Pack it down in just a little bit. I'm not trying to make it too dense or anything. I just want to really make sure a lot of it's in there. Sparkler did a great job of igniting it before. 3, 2, 1, ignition. Oh, that looks so cool. Just a puddle of our molten iron inside the dry. Oh, I love that glow through the sidewall that it had. It looks so cool. Now I want to see if it's melted its way all the way through the block. A little bit. We just barely got through the bottom of it. And here's our reacted thermite. Just super, super warm. Thermite versus dry ice. Which one do you think won? I think they both did a pretty good job. The thermite melted its way down through the dry ice quite a bit, but with a single batch, the dry ice did still contain the thermite. This stuff can suck a lot of heat out of something. Usually when we light off thermite, it just really sticks to the walls of everything that it touches. But because it can't stick to the dry ice, this is kind of a first, having this solid separate ingot as a result from our thermite. It's pretty fun to look at. I'm not sure what the difference is between this blackened carbon bit and this shinier, more metallic looking spot. Kind of think that maybe this is some nice pure iron and this is like some slag, but I could have that backwards, or maybe the aluminum has separated itself out somehow. I need to do some tests. That looked really cool. I loved the glowing molten metal inside the dry ice, just glowing orange through the walls of it. I thought that was such a cool look. I'm really glad I did this. Thank you guys for recommending this. As I said, we had tons of people who wanted to see thermite versus dry ice. If you've got an idea for a cool experiment you want to see us try, let us know down in the comments. We check through them and try and find all the good stuff.
Hey guys, quick reminder, there's a link down in the description right now where you could win this 256 gig iPhone 10 or all expenses paid round trip tickets to come join Chris and I at our self-made YouTube training in April. Or you could just click right down there. Hit the bomb if you're not already a subscriber, and we'll see you at Self-Made.